In this 5-second pocket option strategy, we are going to see something different because we are going to use the Martingale strategy in my style, which I am going to explain you exactly how I used to use the Martingale strategy with this 5-second trading time frame. Because I think Martingale itself is a risky strategy, but also a rewarding strategy if you know what amount you are willing to lose to make lots of trades. So without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. And do not forget to like this video. And if you want to copy my trades automatically in your pocket option account to make profit on a daily basis, then do join my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this YouTube video, and you can see the instructions there on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel and see if it is good fit for you. Then you can join my VIP copy trading channel and start to copy my trades automatically in your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option. Okay, so now let's get started. Firstly, you make all of this currency pair favorite that is giving you like over 80% payout. You can just make these stars yellow and all of this currency pair will appear at the top at here in this way. Once you do this much, then just make your candlestick time frame of S5. That means all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. And if it is flagged, make it clock and just select this and select S5. So your trading time frame is also going to be of 5 seconds. So now I will not explain you firstly about the Martingale strategy. If you don't know the Martingale strategy, I will exactly show you in this video by trading with that Martingale strategy exactly. So firstly, what you need to do is you are going to make a trade of $1. So let's say I'm in this currency pair, okay, and I can clearly see here is the 3-second time remaining and 1 second. So it was going down, so I'll make trade by clicking on lower, and I have invested $1. Now if I lose this $1 which I have lost, I'll invest $3. So I'll invest $3 in another currency pair. So if it is going up, I'll take the trade in the upward direction, so I lose this trade also. Now another trade will be of $9. So I'll put the 9 at here and then I'll go to another currency pair, and if it is going down, I'll make trade by clicking on lower. And if let's see what happens. So I made a profit in this trade. So now what happened, I made $16 profit, sorry, $7 profit, right? My investment was $9, $7 was profit, and the total amount that I got with my capital was 16.74. That means firstly I lost $1 and I lose $3, and in third trade I gained $7.74. That means $4 profit and $3 loss was recovered. Now again I make trade from $1. So now I switch to another currency pair. Wherever the market is going, I simply go in that same direction and make $1 trade. So let's see what happens. So I made profit in this trade for $1. Now what I will do is in another trade, I'll again make trade of $1. Market is going down, so I made a trade by clicking on lower. Now if it is profit, then I'll again invest in $1 in another trade, but it is loss. Now what I will do is I'll again invest $3. So market is going up, so I'm going to make trade by clicking on higher. So let's see what happens in this trade. Okay, I made loss in the last moment. Now I'll invest $9 in another trade. Market is going down, so I'll make trade by clicking on lower. So I'm just like randomly also trading at this moment, okay. So now I made a loss at $9. Now I can make trade for $18 or $20, whatever the choice that I can make, okay. So my total loss is $13 till now. If I made $20 trade, then what happens, I'll get $16 profit. My $13 loss will be recovered and $3 will be profit. Okay, so I can make trade of $20 if I want. I can even increase this to $22. It is about my comfort, okay. And you can go to another currency pair. Market is going up, so I make a trade by clicking on higher, and let's see what happens in this trade. So we made profit in this trade, and as I have already told you, we got $17 profit. We covered our $13 loss and a $4 profit. So now one important thing is here. You can trade with Martingale strategy, there is no problem with that, but you need to have the mindset on how much amount you want to risk. Like for example, I can risk $100 in the similar format, 1, 3, 9, 18, 36, that kind of format. I can risk to lose up to $100, $200, $500 to make Martingale trades. I mean to use Martingale strategy. And another important thing is, if you are making significant amount of profit by using the martingale strategy, then you need to stop trading also. You don't need to make over trade. Okay, if you are continuously making right. And one important thing is, you need a high winning rate strategy, and for that you can watch all of my video related to 5 second strategy. I will also give one video in the anywhere at the screen, it will appear at here. You can watch that 5 second strategy video and use that strategy in the combination with martingale strategy. And if you don't know at what sequence you need to put, you can simply multiply it by 2.5. But my suggestion would be to you to multiply it by 3. For example, if you invest $1, then multiply it by 3 and invest $3 if you lose $1. And if you lose that $3, multiply it by 3 and invest $9. Okay, and if you lose that $9, in multiply it by 3. In that way your investment amount gets increased, but your profit potential also increases in the same format. Okay, so the bigger amount that you are investing, and at the 5th trade or 6th trade if you make profit, then you will get a significant amount of profit and also cover that previous loss.